Listen, I just discovered something about the CARES Act that can save a lot of people's homes. I don't think anybody else knows this. Nobody else is talking about it, and I only realized it 2 days ago. Shame on me. Bottom line, the forbearance, the up to 12-month forbearance for homeowners is eligible for anybody in foreclosure or anybody in any stage of the home ownership, as long as the house hasn't been sold yet. When I read that, I didn't believe it. It sounded too powerful and too good for my consumer, for my clients, for people in trouble. And I went and I read the legislative history. I read the statute, 18 Ways to Sunday. I did my research. There's no case law. It's the new statute. But the CARES Act says people who own government-backed loans, regardless of the state of delinquency, meaning doesn't matter whether you've been paying or not paying or how long you haven't been paying, are entitled to the 12-month forbearance. And I know what that means. What that means is if you haven't paid your mortgage in a while because you've been in just financial distress and COVID has made your life even harder, which has made everybody's life harder, you're entitled to the 12-month forbearance. That means if you're on the sheriff's sale list and you're panicky and just going nuts because of how hard life is with COVID, with your job, with your house, with the sheriff's sale, you're probably entitled to a 12-month forbearance. And a CARES Act forbearance is no bank fees, no bank penalties, no additional bank interest, no inspection fees, none of that. It's just up to 12 months off. So let's say you've got a sheriff's sale pending. Well, if you get the forbearance, that sheriff's sale is going to be on hold for up to 12 months. In 12 months, can you turn your life around? Can you get yourself in a better place? Can you get a new job? Can you start another career? Probably. But even if you can, it's 12 months. But here's the thing. The mortgage servicers are going to fight really hard on this interpretation to the CARES Act. Really hard. And you've got to present your demand for the forbearance properly, which is almost certainly through a request for information, to be followed by a notice of error, to set up a federal lawsuit against the servicer for violation of your rights. That's the way to do it. You can call yourself and do it on your own, but I recommend that you seek an attorney to help you. And that's because I can see the banks waiting until after December 30th to tell you you're not eligible, and thereby kind of eliminate your right to appeal, to object, and you need to put them in a place where they have to tell you within 5 days. And that's a request for information. Must be 8,000 or 10,000 people who are right now looking at sheriff sales in the next 60 days. Okay? I would like to reach all of them to give them this information. So if you or anyone you know or is in this situation, in this kind of trouble, please share this video, alert them to their rights, and let's save as many homes as we can, okay? We're all in this together, and I hope this is going to help a number of people, all right? Be tough, be strong. We're in this together.